What's up, everybody? On my way to my buddy's Jeff's house. We're going to be working on the Sequoia today. The tow vehicle slash the daily slash whatever you need it to be, man. The Sequoia is one of the most amazing trucks that I have ever owned because it is the only truck that I have ever owned. But since I got it, the headlights are extremely yellow, you know, when they fade out. So my buddy Jeff and I, who's also in the Air Force, are going to be working on them today. So there's going to be a video of that. And really happy with myself, pushing myself, challenging myself to give you guys more content and be more consistent with it. So this is going to be like my third video that I've been doing pretty consistent. So pat on the back to me. You guys like it so far, what I've been doing? Like, comment, subscribe. You guys already know it. If you guys are into YouTube, you guys already know what to do to show your support. But other than that, thank you to everybody who's been watching us so far, and hope you enjoyed this video. Let's working on Sequoia. Pit stop, gotta fill up. Anyway. Lock it in. Bang. The only thing we need to clean. Squeakies. Yeah. So we just got to Jeff's house. This is what the lights look like, as you can see. Horrible. All he did was just spray some stuff on this one, and it's not as horrible.
All it is window cleaner. Just gotta wash your shit.
Let's see.
A lot of curse on here.
I don't know. That's a huge difference.
It looks like somebody already tried to do this one because it's all like streaked up.
What's it mean?
Like somebody put something on it.
Yeah. It's not too bad though.
It'll get better. You're coming at 3,000 right there, friend.
3,000? Alright. Alright, so we taped it up.
Alright, so we taped it up.
Why did we tape it up?
It's prevent scuffing over here on the clean, brand new light over here on the corner, and any of the paint on the other surfaces of the vehicle.
Alright.
So this is just a really crappy way to put water down. If I really get frustrated, we're just going to throw down water with the open bottle over here. This is 1500 grit sandpaper. Just going to go over it real nice and easy. Don't need to put a whole lot of force behind it, because all we're going to do is try to take that very light layer of oxidation off. See how it's starting to turn cloudy?
Mm-hmm.
And in all honesty, you should be using like a foam sandpaper block, sanding block, but this will be just fine, because as long as you have a steady hand and you're consistent with your pressure.
Pretty simple.
Easy. They even sell kits from, was it like McGuire's or Mother's makes one.
I've used McGuire's wax before, and that's pretty good.
And McGuire's is my favorite. Actually, Chemical's the best in my favorite these days.
Nice. Right now my car's wet.
So yeah, it'll have a haze on it, which is fine, because we're going to go over it with some polish. Polish it out.
And while you sand this, tell us what you drive.
I drive a 2017 Subaru WRX.
What color is it?
Satin white pearl and grotesquely stock.
Grotesque. What did you have before?
What's that?
What did you have before?
13 WRX. It's featured in some of your other videos where we did our little tailgate run.
Yes. You gotta do another one. Yeah. But before all that, peeps, he was a rotary head.
Yes. RX-8 for life. Actually, this is my favorite car. I want another one. Best handling car ever.
Okay, this guy's weird. Alright, so just finished taping up this one. He just finished sanding this one down. It's actually really smooth, but we're gonna hit it with a lighter grid, or
We're gonna hit it with the about 3000 grid.
I have an intake. Came with the car. Anybody knows anybody from AEM? I'm looking for a new filter for this. So yeah, came with the car.
Alright, so now we're just gonna apply some of this Mother's power for headlights on here. Put a little bit on the pad. It's actually quite a bit more, but I don't like to stop. And we're just gonna start up the drill and let the drill do the work. Then it'll buff out the light. It's gonna probably take a while because I couldn't find my 3000 grit sandpaper. So I'm just gonna buff it back to clear.
Are you applying any pressure or just little by little?
Just a light pressure, light to medium pressure. You don't want to push too hard.
Alright. So while he does that, I'm gonna start wet sanding that one. Alright, so I just finished sanding this one down. Feels really good, feels really smooth. It's gonna be its turn to be polished in a bit, but Jeff just finished this one out, and like he said, it's not perfect, but it's way better than before. Like before, I'd have people ride in the Sequoia and the lights will be on at night and be like, dude, are your lights even on? But they're on, so hopefully we'll be pushing a lot more light this time.
Oh, you will.
Yeah.
So it's not perfect, but it's about 1,000 times better than what it was.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna keep going over it.
You can kind of tell a big difference right there. A little side-by-side comparison. But yeah, easy little project today. Sweet. So we turned on the lights right now to kind of give it a little bit of a comparison, and we might have found a thing where we think the inside of the light has a little bit of a haze to it, and that's why it doesn't look as good. Let's see, I'm trying to focus onto the light, but oh, you can see it a little bit on the screen.
Yeah, you can
that
see
haze.
where the light is reflecting off the inside here and here.
Yeah.
And like right here, where it should just be going straight through.
Yeah, it still looks way better though. Yeah, compared to that, but yeah, then again, this has been sanded down, but it was pretty still darn close to that when the lights were on. So, super happy.
Alright, so on this one, we're going over and sanding just a little bit deeper because the oxidation was pretty heavy and you got a pretty light hand on you. So we're going to go ahead and just dive into it a little bit more and then start polishing it up again and see how she works.
So pretty much what you're saying is that I wasn't strong enough.
I said your shit's weak.
So we are done for the day with this. Managed to salvage this one a little bit, but we probably decided that we're gonna come back another day and give it another hit because these lights were pretty bad.
We need to bake them and clean the inside of the lens as well. There's a pretty gnarly film on the inside of there. You can see it when you turn the lights on, and it has like a weird reflection on the inside. So the outside, if you look at it, it's crystal clear. So we'll keep polishing it up and see how well we can get it to work in the interim.
Yep. What did you spray on this one right now, or actually on both lights?
So sprayed a little bit of that VO7 optical sealant on there. It's a UV repellent, or not repellent, but it's a sealant. It seals it against UV and whatnot, and it will keep it from oxidizing so fast again. It just sprays it on, and then you just wipe it off. It's from Chemical Guys. It's pretty awesome stuff.
Noise. Sweet. So yeah, definitely a lot better than before. A lot better. Super happy with the turnout. Thanks, Jeff. Yeah. Cool. So thanks everybody for watching. Hope you guys are liking the video so far. And yeah, appreciate it. Later.